Alright, so we're going to do a kind of primary wash on this guy, where we get in there with the hose and try to get as much of the dirt off as possible before we start chopping and doing a secondary wash. I give it a good shake, and that gets a lot of the bigger particles off, like some of these perlite rocks. And we usually do this until the water pretty much runs clean, which we're already kind of getting there. And then we'll go into our chopping. Go ahead and keep going. So once we get our primary kind of rinse done, we're going to chop the laterals from the stump and the stems. So no easy way to do it. You just tear right in. Kind of go in a circle here and cut off all of our lateral roots. That leaves us with this kind of stump and stem. From here, we're going to go ahead and take off our stems from the stump. Collect these over here. Come back to him. He's a thick one. Rinse this off one more time. Collect any of the lateral roots, put them in the right pile. Now that we've got the laterals and the stems off, we can really get in here and get the rest of this debris out of here before we start chopping. So there's still quite a few little lateral roots on here, but that's okay. We leave those as part of the stump. Now we just want to start chopping into this, and we make them into small enough pieces so we can dry them properly, or drink them fresh. We like to drink them fresh. We tear right into this stump here, right down the middle. Nice and yellow. This is also a good time to start checking your roots for any kind of nematodes or any creepy crawlies, any kind of rot. But as you can see, our roots are generally very clean. And that probably has to do with we're growing above ground in containers and probably outside of the native growing region where you don't have a lot of the same types of pests and things that attack kava. Although we do have problems of our own out here that are rather unexpected. We'll go over that in another video. Now we just start chopping these stump pieces so we can dry. Time for secondary processing.